Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. Today, I got all of the glass, at least on the surface. I decided not to take the seat out. Get all the glass I could find out of Queen Bee, from all up there, on the floor, under the seats, in the door. This door check strap is broken, so I had it disconnected. I don't know where the screw is, but anyway, I'm gonna go ahead. I got this one out of salvage yard. I'm gonna paint this yellow with the touch-up paint. I got two things. I can spray it, which is probably easier and quicker. May use a little more paint, or I could use my little, that's a spray can there. I ordered that from a place called Paint Scratch. You give them your color code and they send you the paint. Or I could paint it with this stuff here. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna hit it with this instead of spraying it. Probably be a little quicker, maybe a little less mess, and I can test this, see how close it matches to my original paint. So let me go ahead and get the painting, folks. I painted the part that's going to show. Now I just need to let it set up a little bit more and get it installed. Tell you what, the stuff in that bottle dries quick. That stuff is dry to touch already. So I'm gonna look at that. Maybe I can touch up this spot on the back of this bumper sooner than I thought. But I want it to be nice and warm. You shouldn't really paint anything if the temp's gonna drop too low. It'll mess it up, crack it. Today package, I think this is the turbo that's ultimately gonna be in Queen Bee. There it is, A1 turbo. I got this turbo from a 99 V70R, and it needed to be rebuilt. Now, a lot of people want to rebuild these turbos themselves. The problem is, if they're worn out too bad, rebuilding it ain't going to do it no good. You got to make sure the shaft is good. Then you got to rebuild it with good quality rebuild kit. So let me go ahead and unpack this and show you guys what I got. Here it is. It's a Volvo 18T. Of course, he had it professionally balanced after it's rebuilt. That way they can last probably a couple 100,000 miles. The housing looks spotless. It has a newer or a brand new bypass diaphragm in there to hold a little bit more boost pressure. The CHRA looks brand spanking new, not all gummed up and rusty. And what he did was replace the turbine wheel. Normally you'll have, I think, an 11-blade turbine wheel. This one is a 9-blade turbine wheel. It's supposed to really give it some great spooling and help it boost a lot better and smoother. So this thing is ready to be bolted on to the car. I think I'm going to put it on Panther and run it a few months, because Panther is ready for this turbo, ready for the tune. Panther has all of the other add-ons. Has an NA intake manifold. It has 3-inch downpipe. It has an R exhaust manifold. Everything is ready at stage 0. So I'm going to put this on Panther until I get Queen Bee ready. And then I'll probably swap this one over to Queen Bee and put the 19T on Panther. But we'll see what happens. So hopefully I'll get this on and start my tuning series for the YouTube channel within the next 30 days. Again, you can rebuild a turbo yourself, but you know, if you want to be on the safe side, contact the folks at A1 Turbo, have them rebuild it, get it back to you, and you know, super good professional job. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.